Hello everyone, I am Tulsidas Patil with my friend Prathamesh Barve welcomes you all to Engineering Tunes where engineering is made easy. In the previous video we have seen the algorithm, that is nothing but the Dijkstra's algorithm, in which we have find out the distance of from particular node to all other nodes. What if I want to find out the distance from all node to or minimum distance from all node to all other nodes? Okay, that is, I don't want to find out distance from a particular node to all other nodes. I want a minimum distance from all node to all other nodes. Okay, so do I need to apply Dijkstra's algorithm for all other nodes? That will be a so much tedious process. Okay, and a solution for this is nothing but Floyd-Warshall algorithm. अब Floyd-Warshall algorithm की भी अपन simple technique पहले समझ लेते हैं. That is, first of all we'll understand the concept of Floyd-Warshall algorithm. Okay. So pay full attention to that concept, and then while solving another problem or at the end of first problem, I will give you a trick to simplify Floyd-Warshall algorithm. Okay, so let's start it. So let's consider this graph. Okay, first of all मुझे क्या करना है? I need to make a matrix. Okay, to represent this graph, of course the matrix size is node by node. ठीक है. So first of all I have 4 nodes. Okay, then write down the distance of all the nodes, that is from A to B. Distance is 9. Okay, so I'll write down 9 over there. Okay, then from B to okay, distance from A to B is 9. Then A to C 4. Then okay, no other distance, write down infinity. Okay, then from B to A 6. Then B to D 2. Rest is infinity. Then from C to B 5, C to B distance is 5, and no other distance. Guys, यहाँ पे गलती नहीं करना है. This one distance from A to C, this one is the distance from D to C, and this is the distance from C to B. Done. So rest of the distances are infinity. From D we can connect to C through 1, then and no other distance. Okay, so D to D is 0, rest is infinity. Now this is the basic step, that is nothing but the graph representation. अब Floyd-Warshall में क्या करना है? We need to consider first of all, or we can call this is my matrix D0. Okay, then now I need to consider first row and first column. That is nothing but I need to consider this much of element. That is this row and this particular column. First row and first column. Now write down first row and first column elements as it is in the second matrix. Okay, remember मुझे क्या करना है? मुझे हर एलिमेंट से हर एलिमेंट का मिनिमम डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करना है विदाउट अप्लाइंग Dijkstra's algorithm to separately to all other nodes. Done. So I'll write down these distances first of all. Okay, what are those? 0, 9, 4 infinity, 0, 9, 4 infinity, and 0, 6 infinity, infinity, 0, 6 infinity, infinity. Now I need to calculate the distances of these 9 elements, okay, with the help of these elements, okay, by using this formula. So what formula is saying? A new distance, that is nothing but source to destination. Okay, how can we calculate the cost of source to destination? Find out the minimum cost among direct cost between source to destination and minimum source to intermediate and intermediate to destination. अब यहाँ पे मुझे intermediate consider करना है A को. Okay, that is nothing but my first row and first column. So I want to find out the distance from B to B. So I'll write down minimum of क्या? Minimum of first of all B to B. B to B, that is source to destination, and minimum from B to A and A to B, and minimum of B to A and A to B. अब B to B कौन है? B to B is 0. Done. Okay, B to A कौन है? 6 plus and A to B is 9. Okay, so minimum among 0 and 15, that is nothing but 0. Now I am trying to find out minimum distance from B to C. Now my source is B, destination is C. So my source is B, destination is C. and intermediate node remain as it is, that is B2A and A2C. First of all, B2C कौन है? B2C is infinity. So first one is infinity and then B2A. Who is B2A? B2A is 6 and A2C is 4. So 6 plus 4, that is nothing but 10. So this distance is updated as 10. Okay, so again next one for this is nothing but D to B. Now my source is D and destination is B. So source is D to A and A to B. So D to B distance कितना है? D to B distance is infinity. D to A again infinity. So infinity plus anything is infinity and infinity over here. Okay, again D to C. D to C direct distance is 1. D to A infinity plus anything is infinity. So 1 and here is 0. So this is my matrix D0. This is my matrix D1. यहाँ पे फर्स्ट स्टेप कंप्लीट हो गई. गाइज रिमेंबर दिस फॉर्मूला एंड रिमेंबर द कंसेप्ट एंड और ऑब्जेक्टिव. मुझे मिनिमम डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करना है. डन. फॉर दैट पर्पज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई रिप्रेजेंट द ग्राफ, देन आई कंसिडर फर्स्ट रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम. ओके, आई सेट माई इंटरमीडिएट नोड एज ए. डन. एंड देन आई और मॉडिफाइड दिस पर्टिकुलर वैल्यूज, दैट इज 3x3 का मैट्रिक्स मैंने मॉडिफाइड कर दिया. ओके, यहाँ पे मेरा स्टेप 1 कंप्लीट हो चुका है. डन. नाउ आई नीड टू कंसिडर सेकंड रो, ओके, एंड सेकंड कॉलम. अब मुझे इस पर्टिकुलर मैट्रिक्स की जरूरत ही नहीं है. आई डोंट वांट दिस मैट्रिक्स, सो आई विल इरेज ऑल द वैल्यूज फ्रॉम दिस. So again I need to consider second row and second column. Okay, so I need new matrix, that is nothing but my matrix D2. So this one is my matrix D2. In my matrix D2 I have the values of second row and second column copied from this. So that is 9 0 5 infinity and 6 0 10 2. एंड आई नीड टू कैलकुलेट ऑल द रिमेनिंग वैल्यूज. ठीक है, सो कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? ए टू ए, अगेन माई सोर्स इज ए एंड डेस्टिनेशन इज ए. ओके, एंड हु इज माई इंटरमीडिएट नोड? नाउ माई इंटरमीडिएट नोड इज बी. ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाई माई इंटरमीडिएट नोड इज बी. सो ए टू बी एंड बी टू ए. सो ए टू ए डायरेक्ट वैल्यू इज 0. ओके, ए टू बी डायरेक्ट वैल्यू इज, ए टू बी इज 9 and B2A is 6 plus 6. So minimum is 0. I'll write down over here. Then I want to find out A to C. Destination is A to C. So A to B and B to C. Done. So A to C कितना था? 4. A to B is 9 and B to C is 10. So among 19 and 4, minimum is 4. So I'll write down over here. Similarly A to D क्या आएगा? A to D direct is infinity. Okay, A to D direct is infinity and A to B and B to D. So A to B is 9 and B to D is 2. So 9 plus 2, that is 11, and 11 is less than infinity. So this one is 11 over here. Similarly C to A. Okay, अब सेम प्रोसेस मुझे रिपीट करना है. C to A कैसे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल C to B and B to A. B to A. C to A direct value infinity. Okay, C to B, that is 5 and B to A that is 6. So 11 is less than infinity, so there is 11. Similarly the values for this and this. So in this way my D2 matrix is complete. Again, which process I need to repeat? Now I need to consider this particular third row and third column. So this is my third row and third column. ठीक है, okay, and I need to create new matrix, that is nothing but the matrix D3. Okay, so I'll rough all the values and write down the values from this third row and third column. So this is my matrix D3. I copied the value 4, 10, 0, 1, 4, 10, 0, 1, and third row 11, 5, 0, 7, 11, 5, 0, 7, and again I need to calculate these values. Okay, so first one is A to A. A to A कैसे? सबसे पहले A to A, and who is my intermediate node? C. So first of all I need to calculate A to C and then C to A. So A to A, original value is 0, then A to C, that is nothing but 4, and C to A, that is nothing but 11. Done. So minimum is 0. Again from A to B is A to C and C to B. So A to C is 4 and A to B. First of all, A to B value is 9. Okay, and then A to C is 4 and C to B is 5. So 4 plus 5, that is 9. Both are same. So I'll write down. Okay, then A to D क्या आएगा? A to C and C to D. ठीक है. So A to D value is 11. A to C is 4 and C to D is 7. Okay, again it is same 11, and similarly I need to calculate these values. B to A कैसे calculate करेंगे? First one is B to A. So first of all B to C and C to A. Likewise I need to fill this row and this row. So this is my matrix D3. Okay, again I need to repeat the same thing to calculate matrix D4. ऐसे कितने मैट्रिक्स मुझे बनाने पड़ेंगे जितने तुम्हारे नोड्स है. Okay, this is the dynamic approach for finding out the fluid Warshall algorithm. ठीक है. So again I need to consider what? I need to consider the fourth row and fourth column. Okay, and now my intermediate node is D. ठीक है. So I'll rough this, and so just copy the values of fourth row and fourth column. 11, 2, 7, 0, 11, 2, 7, 0, and 12, 6, 1, 0. 12, 6, 1, 0. Now again calculate all these values. कैसे? This particular value A to A. How can I calculate? A to A direct value, that is nothing but 0, and then A to D and D to A. A to D and then D to A. What is the value of A to D? A to D is 11 plus D to A is 12. Okay, then of course it is 0. A to B कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? A to D and then D to B. बस एक ही फॉर्मूला का गेम है and fluid Warshall is over. Only thing is that ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत पेशेंटली एंड अच्छी तरह से दिमाग शांत रख के तुम्हें सॉल्व करना है. डन. So let's solve it. So by applying the same formula, these are the values. Okay, so from A, if I want to reach to B, minimum distance is, or minimum cost is 9 units of time. From B, if I want to reach C, minimum cost is 3. So this is the minimum cost from all nodes to all nodes. So this is fluid Warshall algorithm. Now let's understand the trick. आत्ताच घ्यायची ट्रिक. ठीक है.
हे सांगा मायनस वाला सांगा.
ठीक है. 3, 2, 1 start. But before that, in fluid Warshall algorithm, though this cost is negative, you can use that. Okay, so let it be here -9, -6, -4, you can use that and just perform the operations by using same formula. ठीक है. So doesn't matter your cost is positive or negative, your fluid Warshall algorithm will remain as it is. Done. So this is the simplest way and easiest way to solve fluid Warshall algorithm. अब algorithm ही बड़ा है तो उसका of course उसके steps and procedure and उसके marks भी बड़े ही होंगे. Done. So guys, stop the video and solve this problem by your own. Okay, now let's solve this problem with the help of fluid Warshall algorithm. So first of all, this is the graphical representation of this problem. Now we consider the first row and first column. Okay, first column and first row. So I'll write down the copy the values. So 0, 8, infinity 1, and then infinity 4, 8, infinity 4, infinity. Done. Now I want to calculate these values. So instead of calculating all other values, लेट्स इलिमिनेट सर्टन वैल्यूज। अब कौन सी वैल्यूज मुझे इलिमिनेट करना है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉर 2 to 2 मैं कैसे कैलकुलेट करूंगा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू कैलकुलेट either 2 to 2 minimum distance or 2 to 1 and 1 to 2. Okay, so when there is a infinity in the row, okay, then write down the old values of this particular column. For example यहाँ पे मुझे infinity मिल गई है, so I'll write down 109 109. ये चेंज नहीं होने वाला है. Okay, क्यों? Because whenever we are calculating this particular thing, that is whenever we are using this infinity plus anything is infinity, so this will be infinity only, so I'll write down the column value. Similarly, whenever I am trying to add this infinity while calculating these rows values, okay, this should be infinity only. Okay, so I'll write down the old values for this particular rows. So old values are 0, infinity and 2, 0. So I just need to calculate these two values. Okay, instead of 9 I just need to calculate these two values. Okay, so these values are nothing but that is 3, 2. 3, 2 कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? सबसे पहले 3, 1 and 1, 2. Who is 3, 1? 3, 1 is 4 and 1, 2 is 8. 4 plus 8, 12. And this particular value, that is 3, 4, is nothing but 3, 1 and 1, 4. Who is 3, 1? 3, 1 is 4 and 1, 4 is 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. That's my D1 matrix. Okay, okay, again I need to consider now second row and second column. Okay, so I'll create another matrix, that is nothing but D2 matrix, in which my intermediate node is 2. Okay, so I'll rough all these values and calculate remaining values. So copied values from 8, 0, 12 to 8, 0, 12 2 and infinity 0, 1, infinity. Infinity 0, 1, infinity. Now I want to find out all other 9 values. Okay, उसमें से भी मुझे कौन सी वैल्यूज की स्किप करना है? जहाँ पे इन्फिनिटी है, यहाँ पे इन्फिनिटी है, मतलब दिस विल बी ओल्ड वैल्यूज, दैट इज 4, 0, 4, 8 इन्फिनिटी, 0, 4, सॉरी 0 इन्फिनिटी, 4 इन्फिनिटी. ओके, डन. रिमेंबर यहाँ पे इन्फिनिटी है. ओके, दीज आर द वैल्यूज दैट आई कॉपीड फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर मैट्रिक्स D1. ओके, अब मैंने क्या किया? सबसे पहले रो में इन्फिनिटी ढूंढा, कहाँ पे है? यहाँ पे मिल गया, यहाँ पे मिल गया. सो यहाँ पे मैंने ओल्ड वैल्यूज लिख दी, यहाँ पे मिल गया. सो फॉर दिस कॉलम आई कॉपीड ओवर हियर. सो 1 infinity 5 0, 1 infinity 5 0. Similarly, now I need to find out which column, okay, that is which column has infinity, and for this particular row there is no infinity. Okay, तो बस बाकी कुछ ये 3 वैल्यूज आई नीड टू कैलकुलेट दैट. ओके, सो कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? 1, 3, अगेन either 1, 3, that is nothing but infinity, so I want to calculate 1, 2, 2 and 2, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 2 is 8 and 2, 2, 3 is 1. 8 plus 1, 9. So this value is 1 and this value is nothing but 4, 3. So it is 4, 2 plus 2, 3. So this is 3. So 9, it is updated with 3. Done. So likewise again you need to calculate with the help of 3. Now consider this row, this column and this row, and my intermediate node is now 3. So with the help of this, calculate new matrix, that is nothing but D3. And after that, by considering 4th row and 4th column, you need to calculate the matrix D4. Okay, so I hope now calculation of this fluid Warsaw technique is so simple now. ओके, जो बहुत बड़ा लग रहा था अभी वो काफ़ी छोटा हो चुका है. सो लाइकवाइज वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ सिंपल ट्रिक्स एंड करेक्ट मेथड. डन. बट स्टिल इफ यू आर हैविंग एनी डाउट्स, use our discussion section, and thanks for joining Engineering Tuts, where engineering is made easy.